popular demand, we have Teabloom's amazing tea maker. And this right here is actually a tea warmer, and you light that candle and the whole tea warming process goes just by the strength of one candle. I really like how that is together. It's kind of a throwback, if you will. And what you do is you just take this high quality, high wear Teabloom teapot, you get some water boiled out, and I can give a link in the description for this product as well. This is great for heating up water if you don't want to use a stovetop. And you just pour it into this Teabloom blooming fruit tea blooming flower, and as that hot water gets put on that tea bloom, it's going to blossom into a beautiful flower. So it's a visual experience that you can enjoy as well, adding to your whole entire tea experience. And you can get this set with these cups. This is also along the line of Teabloom, and they're great for enjoying. It disperses the heat so you don't burn your hands, and this comes with a great top as well. And as it steeps, this beautiful flower just blooms into a plumage of flavor and color. And it's really nice because just like tea, the longer it steeps, the better it tastes, and you don't ever have to worry about it getting warm or less hot than you would want to enjoy it with this tea warmer. So that is Teabloom. You guys check them out if you're interested in this product. A lot of people are asking about it, and it seems to be a fan favorite. So link in the description. Go ahead and get yours today. As always, God bless you. Alright guys, so that beautiful time lapse just showed you how that flower blooms. And that's kind of why the name of the company, I think, is Teabloom, because that's the whole thing. Not any other tea experience, you get to have that beautiful little accent to your day. And as you can see, I'm pouring this into this double-walled tempered glass mug that is specifically designed for enjoying hot beverages such as tea. And I'm going to show you guys exactly what it tastes like. So this one tastes like a little bit of cinnamon, and it has the light accent of just a fresh, non-store-bought tea flavor. And it's authentic, and I'm not a tea snob, but I will tell you this, I would prefer that glass over any other ones that I've ever tried in my life. Kudos to Teabloom, and we'll see you guys on the other side.